Beneath the sky so white and blue, the earth awakes with morning dew. A gentle breeze begins to sing, announcing dawn, a sacred thing. The forest hums with quiet grace, sunlight dances, leaves embrace. Each rustling branch, each hidden stream feels woven from a tender dream. Mountains rise with noble pride, their snowy crowns the clouds do hide. Ancient guardians, strong and tall, silent watchers over all. The rivers sparkle swift and free, they carve the path eternally. A mirror to the sky above, flowing with a timeless love. A meadow blooms in colors bright, a canvas painted by the light. Petals open, soft and fair, fragrance drifting through the air. Songbirds lift their voices high, notes of wonder fill the sky. Each melody so pure, so clear, carries joy for all to hear. The ocean roars with endless might, its waves like silver in the night. A heartbeat fast, both fierce and kind, a mystery no man can bind. The desert speaks in silent tones of shifting sands and ancient stones. Though barren lands may seem austere, a quiet beauty lingers here. At dusk the stars begin to glow, their gentle light a silver show. The moon has set, serene, divine, a lantern for the earth to shine. Oh, nature vast, eternal, true, each breath of wind, each drop of dew reminds us all, both great and small, that we are children of it all.